In this video, we'll be looking at just Toolbox moments. In this clip, I am playing with my friend to gain an advantage over the killer. In this clip, me and my friend are also spamming the names of survivors in order to gain an advantage over the killer. In this clip, I realized I spawned into the game and immediately started walking over to a generator because I am playing the game. In this clip, I hear Leatherface's chainsaw rev and decide not to care. This is done in order to gain an advantage over the killer. In this clip, I realize I have slippery meat and decide to use it. After Steve Harrington from Stranger Things' heroic rescue, I realize the killer might be a moth and try to blind him. In this clip, we see Harrington from exercise in order to get gains. At the start of this match, I didn't know if I was recording or not, and I stopped playing the game to gain an advantage over the video. When I hear the killer's heartbeat, I realize I am not in danger, because I see the obsession arms next to Steve Harrington from Stranger Things swing, indicating that he is in a chase. I also realize that he goes into the mending state, therefore I know that it is a legion. Here I realize while repairing a generator that blood points is probably more important than playing the game. This Fang seems to agree. After this Fang gets hooked, I use my intuition and investigative skill to realize this killer is most likely a moth. I use this knowledge to distract the killer with my flashlight and save my teammates. I get spotted by the Legion here and decide to hold W. When I see that my teammate gets down, I sense the perfect opportunity to get an achievement. This of course completely threw off the killer and ended up winning us the match. In this clip, Steveton from Dead by Daylight effectively utilizes urban evasion to evade the killer. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and remember to subscribe for more Toolbox moments.